Here's a 1990 Casablanca Lady Delta in chrome. So I got this fan from the Fanimation group trip this past year, and there are minor scuffs on this fan, but it's not too bad at all. It's actually in really nice shape. And what I really like about this is that the blades are black. So it's like a black and chrome combo type thing. But most Lady Deltas I see that are chrome have white blades. I don't know why. I don't know if that's what they came with, or I have no idea. Or if that was from a different fan, but most of them I see are white. This one actually had white as well, but the person I bought it from actually found a black set that they were willing to part with, so it's installed in the basement. I plan for this to be a permanent install, I think. At least as of right now. I don't plan on changing it out anytime soon. So, you know, the switch housing here and everything is in really nice shape. Canopy's in nice shape, and the motor housing is, but the side band looks like, I don't know. I don't know if some parts were switched around to this, because it has like this older pull chain switch. I don't know if they used that in 1990, but the tag, the date code is Y, which means 1990. And judging by how good the condition is, but the side band is rough, like I don't know if you can see that. And no, that's not dirty. I already cleaned it, and see, it's even got a couple little dings over here, like a couple little small dents. The blades are in pretty good shape. You can see there's a little scuffing on the side of a few of them, but that's nothing. This is capable of having a light. I'm hoping to add a chrome K4B to this fan. You can see the threads broke on there. So this fan is overall in really nice shape. Uses a Samsung motor, unfortunately. There's something about Casablanca fans and their rare finishes. Like, this is a rare finish. You have a bunch of other rare finishes, which seem to use Samsung motors like all the time on their 3-speed fans with the rare finishes. I don't know what the deal is with that. And it's like the more common finishes use Emerson and all that kind of stuff. Samsung motors don't really bother me that much. It's just the thing is, their bearings are crappy, and they're a lot less valuable among among fan collectors and all that kind of stuff. Here's medium. The bearings are actually quiet in this fan. So they are quite good. They were a little dry when I got it. I added oil to them, and that actually seemed to do quite well. But if they ever start making noise again, I will replace the bearings. It's just, I hate replacing bearings because you have to take the whole fan apart and everything like that, and I have a lot of fans I gotta replace bearings in. So if I can avoid it, I will. And we'll go to high speed. Kind of cluttered in this basement. There's some bags around here, so if you hear the bag crinkling because of the wind of the fan, that's what that noise is. And there it is, just shut it off. It like just clears the air duct up here. And that's all for the 1990 Casablanca Lady Delta in chrome. And real quick, let me show you that tag. I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see it. Yeah, kind of showed it the best I could there. Alright, and that's all for this fan.